YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Southern Cal back with another quick motovlog for you. Today I'm out on the Gold Wing, as you can see. I've got my beautiful wife riding with me today, and we are headed out to Lockhart, Texas to go check out some barbecue. Say hello, baby.
Hey.
Got to speak up a little bit.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Anyway, we got here a little bit late to the meetup, so got to catch up with our buddies real quick. I told them to go ahead and keep cruising, and we'll catch up with them. So we're gonna catch up with them in a minute. Well, it looks like we're catching up with our buddies here, bumping along at 87 miles an hour. And there they went. Yeah, I'm the young one. I like to go fast, y'all. Now, they were waiting for me. It's only right I pass them up. Let them know how it feels to get left behind. We're getting to hit. Get ready to hit Highway 130, where the speed limit is 85. So we're doing 85 now, so it'll be about the same. Yo.
Alright, hey.
What's up? What's up?
You know what you're going. We're taking 130, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we were going slow waiting for you guys.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just did that for the camera, man.
Alright, you gonna lead? So you gonna lead or what?
You can lead if you want, man.
It's up to you. I just don't know if you got your navigation turned on or not.
Yeah, I got it on to get us to Lockhart, but I don't have it to get to the restaurant. What's the name of that restaurant? Cream or?
When we get close, I got it on my GPS, so when we get close, I'll take the lead.
Yeah, but what's it called?
Kreutz.
Creek.
Yeah, K-R-E-U-Z or something like that.
Creek. Anyway, that
You
was
there, Ron?
That was
I'm
for you
here.
too. What's up, Ron?
Here. We're all here.
All right, I'll take right lane, man. So, this car is bumping along, man. I'm gonna move around this car.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm recording, so
Okay.
hopefully it comes out clear. Greg, you're a little bit staticky, so I hope everybody has their antennas up.
I'll keep it clean then.
I switched my microphone to the boom mic, so I'm hoping it picks up better or reduces static, or I don't know, man.
Okay.
We'll see how it comes out. I really still think it's this 20S that's causing all my issues.
I have my Garmin on, but I took it off because it's getting so misty.
Yeah. Yeah, I was moving, and I said, man, we still haven't caught them. I said, I thought they was going to cruise. I said, they must be cruising at the posted speed limit or above. Yeah, we were moving.
We were going about 5 miles per hour under the speed limit, so we give you time to catch up before we hit 130.
Yeah, I was like, if I don't catch them before they hit 130, we ain't gonna catch them.
Well, we were gonna stop there at the exit.
Yeah.
And wait.
Yeah, as soon as you text, I didn't get your first text message. I didn't see it, but the second one I saw it, and we were literally exiting 36th Street. And I said, oh, man, I knew I should have called you, but I was like, let's just get on, and I figured y'all might just take off and we'll just catch up with y'all. Well, it seems like we lost connection with our friends for now. You know, that's the 20S for you. It works when it wants to. We're on Superhighway 130, and there's construction out here, so the posted speed limit is 65 instead of 85, and that's no fun. We'll holler back at you when we get the speed back up.